Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
Okay, we've got some albacore tuna. We've got a potato. Now this potato has already been nuked and cooled off. We got some black olives. We got some garlic, a couple eggs, and spices. I'm going to use olive oil. Mike Foster here. How you doing? Today, I'm using tuna potatoes. You saw it. And I'm going to make a tuna hash. And it's going to be simple to make, but boy, it's going to be a hearty way to start the day. Great breakfast. And let's put this baby together. I'm going to first start by getting that garlic and that potato going. We start by just breaking this potato down. We'll cut it in half. And then we're going to cut it in half again on both sides. And then we're just going to cut them like this. See that? We're going to chunk this all in equal sizes, okay? Let's get that done. Okay, now we got this garlic. You're just going to smash each piece. Then once you get them smashed like that, you just chop them up like that. A rough chop like that. You see that? Of course you do. Okay. I'm going to finish this up, meet you at the stove. There you go. All right, we got a warm pan on medium. I'm going to add some olive oil. All right, get that garlic going. All right, that's beautiful. Sweat this down for a couple minutes, then we'll add the potatoes, and then we'll keep going from there. All right, let's get those potatoes in there next. You want to make sure these are all about the same size, so even though I cut them, some are sticking together, so get those in there. I'm going to get a nice brown on these. So we'll let these go for a little while. A little salt, some black pepper. Fresh onions are better, but in lieu of that, we got some nice onion powder. You say there's not enough garlic, okay, I'll add a little more garlic powder. And then we're going to put some basil. All right, let's mix those around. All right, I'm going to add a little more olive oil because I'm adding that tuna. And I got these black olives. I'm going to bust them up like this. Nice. A little more basil. A little more onion powder, no more garlic powder. There's always room for pepper. Just a little salt. That's all. Careful on the salt. Because it's getting to where it wants to be. Nice. We're incorporating all those delicious seasonings. This is still on medium. All right. So here's 2 eggs. Just going to give them a little beat. Just like that. Now we're just going to put those into the hash. Let's mix that around until these eggs solidify. All right. This hash, this tuna and potato hash is done. Turn that baby off. Let's serve it up and get a nice close-up. There it is. That's that finished product. Oh, I can't wait for a big bite. All right, and another close-up. Can't wait to tuck in. We get some potato. Got a little of that tuna. Tuna is very savory. Taste that garlic. Oh, that's a good bite. Taste the egg, creamy. Hearty, good way to start. If you prefer your eggs on the side, put them on the side. This is how I make it. It's hot. Killer diller. Tuna. You can do all kinds of things with it. Check out Live Life 365 and all my socials. Subscribe to the Sweet Bamboo. Till next time, peace.
Live life 365.
hash. Okay. All right, I'm happy. I tell you, this is going to be delicious. That's what she said. Mixy schmixy. And that is what she said. Baba!